Hello, crafty friends. It is Trinae, and today is the last day of 2018. What? I know, right? Crazy. This year flew by. Lots of great things happened this year for me personally, for me professionally, for me on this video, YouTube channel and blog, Becoming Fab. Just great things. And I have so many plans for 2019. But first, let's talk about the planner before we make the plans. So this is my January Cocoa Daisy planner kit, and let's cut the tape off so we can get in here. All right, so this kit makes a full 12 months of me doing the Cocoa Daisy. And this month I did do some add-ons and all that jazz. I started with Cocoa Daisy because it was a gift for my mom, and then I was like, you know, you're gonna get planners. It was for her birthday. Her birthday's in January, and so I got her the kit, and for the whole year she would get these planner kits, and you know, I would get some too. And then it got to the point where we had so much stuff left over, we was like, let's just get them and share them. So that's what we've been doing these last couple of months. However, this year she's like, you know, I'm kind of tired of the planner. I can't use it as fast as it comes, so not sure if we are going to continue getting the actual planner kit. Might move on to something else, don't know. So since we do share, I do buy a couple of things just to add on. First being the sticker sheet, because I like having my own sticker sheet. So as you can see, one comes with the kit. I always buy that. This is the little information thing to tell you about the kit. Another add-on thing I purchased this month was one of their calendar inserts for the year. I thought that'd be pretty cool to have. So I purchased this. Oh, and that's kind of cool. I didn't realize that the monthly calendars were blank, so I do like that. So let's look in here so I can write in my own dates. So that's cool. If I knew they were blank, I would have been got one of these. I must didn't read it. So as you can see, it just has room for you to write in your dates, and then you can use them however you choose. And I chose to get this because the one I like their traveler inserts, but they just do like a little calendar at the glance at the front, and it's like one of these little pages, and I write too big for it. All right, so another thing that I do like are their stickers. So their stickers are bomb. I like their little sticker kits, and they do coordinate with the kit. So I probably should have showed you the kit before I showed you the stickers that coordinate. But anyway, here are the stickers. So we have some of these full boxes with decorative tape. We have some clipboards, trackers, and list formats. Love having the little hydrate. Let me zoom in some so you can see. Love having the little hydrate jug stickers, trackers. I like those. They gave us like some word labels, or they call it word fetty, and also we have like quarter boxes and little trackers up here too. So in this kit, this sticker kit, and this is all add-on. I add this on. I also get like the to-dos, todays, the menu plan this week. They give some of these like banners where you can do your dots, and I like using these as like my little checkoffs. So I do that. They gave some die cuts and just like little images. We have some dollar signs and cakes and dumbbells and spray bottles so we can get this thing clean, and the car on there for maintenance, which I need to do some maintenance to my car. It's time for me to get a tune-up. Need to do some maintenance stuff just to keep it healthy, because you got to keep your car healthy. And I know, right? What does that have to do with this Trinae? Nothing. As you can see, gave like some little tickets and like these little designs. They have goals, remember to do's, and then they gave some washi tape samplers. I usually give these to my mom. She really loves washi tape, so I always give her like these. And then I really love like this, and like I really love these three. So I always share the sticker sheets with her because you get 6 of them, so why not? Sharing is caring. All right, so let's get into the bag. And they gave us, you know what, let's get into the papers. Let's do that. Let's zoom out a little bit. So let's flip them around. So here is the dashboard divider thing. And we have papers. Like, these are so pretty. I always love their papers like this. I wish they did these in their little traveler notebook size, but they don't. Because these were the papers that I loved from them, these first set. I need to ask my mom, do she use those? If not, we can trade off. Because I think she might do like the whole week at a glance thing. So we have these as well. These like the week at a glance. Then you have the month at a glance. We have this. We have the daily to-dos. And this is like if you want to do like 2 sheets of paper every day. I tried doing that for a little while. It got to be a lot of room for me to write. A lot of nothing. I really didn't have that much going on in my life to fill those 2 pages up. Like, I just don't have that much going on. Alright, so they gave us a tag and some die cuts, and it always comes with die cuts. They always have like tabs in there, and I keep the die cuts. My mom is not big on die cuts. She likes regular stickers, so she gets the stickers. So look at these. We have those. You are here. These are kind of cool. You can do some goal tracking with these. Have little birds on the line. New day, little circles. I gave a lot of these You Are Here things. January 2019. We have the tabs. A lot of little tags. So these are cute. Alright, so we'll push this to the side. Alright, then we have some washi tape, which have like these little flowers on here. Cute washi tape. So let me zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Cute little flowers on some black background. So it's cute. They also gave us like a planner pen, or not pen, but a planner clip, which is cute. It has a little charm on here that says today. So that's nice. As always, it comes with some notes, like little notes. I like these. Like, they have been doing this the last couple of kits, coming out with like little notes like this, like 1 through 10. I love having these because then you can make like a little mini list. So love these. So cute. And you can check it off if you need to. Like, that's nice. Love that. All right. Also, we have dashboards. We always share the dashboards because you get 6, and it's like it's 3 designs, I believe. So we always share those. We have these. Love these papers. These are just like regular note. It's like a notepad. It's not sticky on the back. Like, these are more like post-it notes. So that's cool. Look at that. I like it. Alright. Let's look at these stickers. Stickers. We have like a notes, an exercise tracker, New Year's resolution, hello January, travel planner, month at a glance, January goals, 2019 goals, meal planner, daily to-dos, budget tracker, etc., etc. Oh yeah, and over here, I already showed you guys this one because I ordered one too. And then we have these. These are the stickers my mom really likes. And it has like even tabs on here and like just little stickers like weekend vibe, begin doing. So I like this back to work. I know, right? Oh, like, oh my gosh, I am not looking forward to January 3rd when everything goes back to normal. Like, blah. Don't want to go back to work. Alright, so here are the papers for this month. As you can see, everything is kind of like a muted tone. So yeah, this is that paper. So that's the front and that's the back. Then we have this one with that. I have this one and this one. So lots of muted soft tones. Don't know what planner I'm going to use this month. Last month I actually made my planner out of paper and I laminated, and I really like that, but I don't know if I have paper that kind of coordinates with this. Don't know. Alright, so towards the end we have this pencil pouch. I usually keep the pencil pouches and my mom told me she had a bunch of them. Because at first I was giving them to her, and then she was like, she's not into like the pouches. We coordinate each other so well. Like, just, it's crazy how well we go together. And then we have the ink pen, which I keep the pens because she's not into ink pens like that. So I get to keep the pen. She keeps all the papers though, so she's into the papers, which I'm not into, so she gets all the, like this whole little thing. I just set it aside for her because I don't really care about that. And then we have, like, we split this in half. We split this in half, and I give her the washi tape because I got enough washi tape. So that's how we split up our kit. How cute is this ink pen? Like, I love it. You guys, I am really leaning towards just having a black planner this month. And I don't have a black planner. I might have to go and buy one. I know, right? Alright, so there you have it. My January 2019 Cocoa Daisy planner kit. Can't wait to create my planner for the new year 2019. I always love odd years. I was born on an odd year. I graduated high school on an odd year. I graduated grad school on an odd year. I always just love odd years. I always have like really amazing things like stored up in odd years. So I am very excited to see what this year brings. So that is it for me today, you guys. I will see you in the next one. I will see you in the next year. What? Oh, also, if you want to see how I'm using this planner, or how I'm using these products, then definitely be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post videos, including the one where I show you my January planner walkthrough. It's gonna be fire, y'all. Don't nobody say fire no more, but it's gonna be fire. All right, so I will see you guys. Bye.